Okay, so the next sample that we're going to be doing is the square paper sample. And for this, if your machine is threaded, you want to unthread it. Okay. Go ahead and take your bobbin out. I know, it's always crazy with recorded stuff. So anyway, your bobbin is out. Make sure the finger's up. Place it back in. Okay, make sure it's seated by moving it back and forth. I mean, if it doesn't move, you know you seated it right. If it does, you have to undo it and redo it. Shut that door. So we have our square, and for this, you're going to line up the printed line with the notch right here in the presser foot. You should be able to see the line through the little window right there, and that should be in line with that notch as well. That indicates where the needle is going to go into the fabric, or in this case paper, when the needle is in the middle position. Alright, so to start, go ahead, start your needle down. Oh, and also make sure that you're set at 3. The longer the stitch length, the harder to control this will be. So you want to make sure that this is set at a 3. Don't hold the paper. You want to, you just want to guide the paper. Let the machine pull it through. When you get to the corner, you want to stop before you actually get to the corner. And you're going to hand crank it for those next, like, 2 stitches or so. And you can see, or maybe you can, hopefully see, that right here at the corner, I'm not quite on it, so what I'm going to do is raise the needle up. You catch the needle before it goes into the paper, and just go ahead and cheat a little bit. You reset so that it will be right at that corner. There you go. So now that the needle you're right on that corner, you are like golden. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is make sure that the needle is actually through the paper or through the fabric. You want to lift the presser foot, pivot, and go down the next leg. Okay? And just go ahead and continue on.